Welcome to Sri Rudransh Education. So in this video I am going to explain about some tips and tricks related to the coding skills. Okay, most of the candidates, fresh graduates, they are confused about the coding skills. What are the topics they comes under in coding skills? Okay, this video is exclusively for the fresh graduates only, not for the experienced candidates. Okay, but most of the candidates, they are some confused about the topics, and they are at the time of coding skill exam, they will get some tension also about the questions, what type of questions so they are going to ask in the coding skills. Okay, and I think this video is more useful to you, more useful to CSE, IT and non-CSE candidates also. And if you want another videos on subjects or topics, please give your suggestions in the comments. Right, so we are now, let's start our video. So coding skills. But most of the companies, what I observed in the company's examination pattern in the coding skills, common question, this coding skills that is related to the C concept, C programming. Okay, C programming. But what I observed in the maximum interviews or maximum selection drives, but first thing, the major questions that are comes from number series. Okay, you have to write the programs, C programs which are a number series. Okay, suppose if you want to perform well in this number series topic, once you go through with, okay, for number series you go through with number series problems. Okay, number series problems in reasoning. Okay, reasoning, series areas, number series areas, and some of number analogy. Okay, problems in reasoning. Okay, you have to write it in the C program, reasoning, like series S. Okay, next one is odd man out, and next one is analogy. Okay, comma, etc. For these all, just you write it in code in the C program for all categories of series questions in the reasoning. Okay, you have to write it in the C code. Once you go through with the reasoning logics and convert it into the C programming or program notations or system notations. And next one is nothing but so that is most important topic for the coding skills, that is patterns. Okay, patterns, different types of patterns. Okay, in these patterns, either number format, okay, or some symbol formats, and some alphabets related formats. Okay, comma, etc. Okay, for pattern problems, so better to use. Okay, now the logic related, so better to use conditional statements. Okay, and looping statements. So compulsory you have strong knowledge on these two topics, that is mandatory. Conditional statements and looping statements, that is very important. Okay, right, pattern format. And the next thing is that is very important topic, that is related to the average of numbers. Right, once you go through with some average related problems, so okay, average of series, or some average of numbers. Okay, so average of number format. Right, okay, so this is the second one. For these also you practice with some conditional and control statements. Sometimes we use exit and break also. Okay, for these average and series problems. Right, next one is some questions that are related to the LCM and HCF. Okay, highest common factor. Okay, so HCF. Right, for these for LCM and HCF problems, okay, you go with quantitative aptitude. Okay, so quantitative aptitude, you can convert the quantitative aptitude problems. Okay, convert these problems. Okay, convert into coding system notation, convert into system notation, right? System notation format, quantitative aptitude, right? System notation format, and write the C syntaxes. You can practice the C syntaxes. Once you go through with the quantitative aptitude, better you go with RS Agarwal book. So in the LCM and HCF, go to the LCM and HCF topics in the RS Agarwal. So in all the problems in which are in the LCM and HCF in RS Agarwal book, you can develop the code, C program code, and to convert system notation format. Okay, system notation format, right? And you can develop the C code also, right? And one more thing that is related to the most thing, that important thing, that is swapping. Okay, swapping of numbers swapping of numbers. In this you have to practice, that is so without temporary buffer. Okay, without a temporary instance area, right? So instance area, right? So a temporary instance area. Next one is nothing but reversals. Okay, so reversal logics, reversal of numbers. So this is reversal of number is also so very important in this reversal of numbers. Okay, and the next one is nothing but that is related to the most important topic for this, so that is strings, right? Strings, you have to practice all string methods. Okay, all string methods, that is inbuilt formats, all string methods inbuilt formats. Okay, and the next one is that is based on string reverse. Okay, reversal of a string, reversal. Next one is nothing but comparison, string comparison. So comparison without inbuilt method. Okay, without inbuilt method, string comparison without inbuilt method, right? And next one is in strings, and one more point in the string, that is related to the string preprocessors. Okay, string preprocessors, comma, etc. So you have to practice this, right? Comparison without inbuilt method and string preprocessor declarations. Okay, so after strings you go with some arrays concept. So arrays, in this arrays you have to apply for the array declarations, that is based on unit matrix. Okay, so unit matrix. Next one is transpose matrix. Okay, so transpose matrix declaration, transpose matrix. Next one is null matrix declaration. So and next one is nothing but in this you have to practice minimum element. Okay, minimum element. Next one is maximum element, max element. Okay, max element in the array. Next one is so average of elements. So average of elements, so comma, etc. So in this you have to practice this arrays concept. Okay, and so actually these are the main things. And one more thing in this strings, you have to practice in the coding skills, that is general common points, some related to the coding skills in the C programming. For example, now check okay, check the given year, check the year is a leap year or not, check the year. Okay, that is leap year or not, so leap year or not. Okay, and the next one is convert to convert your date of birth. Okay, so your date of birth into words. So just like, for example, your date of birth is, for example, now here 03, for example 03. Now here just one example, just I will give it in the next line, that example to convert your date of birth into words. That is, for example, now 03, for example, your date of birth is 03011990, for example. So convert into words means that is 03, then space, then 01, space 1990. So this is this type of conversions, right? Okay, to convert that into. And next one is nothing but given string, given character or given string. So given character or okay, given string. So given string into ASCII code conversion, ASCII code formats. Okay, ASCII code formats. And next one is nothing but Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series. So in this Fibonacci series, you go with two methods. So one is based on that is non-recursion method. Okay, one is non-recursion, and next one is a recursion method. So these two methods, you go with these two methods, non-recursion and recursion methods, Fibonacci series. And next one is nothing but all number systems, to develop a logic, all number system logic. Okay, you can practice all number systems like so decimal, octal, right, binary, right, next one hexadecimal, right. Okay, and next one is nothing but binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal. Okay, right, these all are binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system, comma, etc. And next one is nothing but you have to practice on okay, you have to practice on some notations, right? That is time complexity problems, time complexity, okay, space complexity. So you can practice on this also, right? So these are the main important areas. They are important areas covered in the coding skills. Okay, so prepare on these topics, okay, very well. And for number series and patterns, you go with the reasoning books. You convert that reasoning logics into your C program and coding skills and system notation. Even HCF and LCM and HCF also you go through with the quantitative aptitude. So in these two chapters, all the problems you can convert into the C programming. You can practice on this. Okay, so I think this video is useful to you for CSE, non-CSE, non-IT and IT candidates. And for your if you want any other suggestions, please give your comments, right? So wish you good luck to all. Thank you everyone.